I have worked with Indigo Airlines as a cabin attendant. To get into aviation, who want to become a cabin attendant or join ground force in any airlines. So I would like to apologize for that. I'm so sorry. I would repeat, 5,100 crew members to be recruited. और बहुत अच्छी खासी रिक्वायरमेंट है क्रू मेंबर्स की, बट आई हैव अ लॉट टू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू. फॉल्स इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द इंटरव्यूज़ ऑफ एयरलाइंस, सो दैट समथिंग एक्सक्लूसिव that you need to know. That's why it is not possible कि इस फील्ड में कभी भी आपके लिए स्कोप कम होगा. That you need to know that what exactly the airline people are looking for. I'm here to provide you all the information regarding the interviews. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rishika. I hope you all remember me, and just in case you don't remember, I would like to introduce myself. I have worked with Indigo Airlines as a cabin attendant, and I started my YouTube channel in 2020 during lockdown, and I started this channel to help and guide those who want to get into this field, because I believe there are still so many aspirants who want to get into aviation, who want to become a cabin attendant or join ground force in any airlines, but they really don't know how to go about it, how to go for the interview, or how to prepare for the interviews, or what are the eligibility criteria to get into this field. So that's why I started this YouTube channel of mine, and it was going well. I have posted so many videos, and I guess I still get so many doubts and queries, just in case people go through my videos by chance, because now I have stopped posting any videos since so long. It's been, I guess, 7-8 months I haven't posted any video. So I would like to apologize for that. I'm so sorry. But yes, I'll make sure that now onwards I will be posting and making videos very often. And yes, I hope all of you are keeping well. I'm sorry, but I have a lot to share with all of you. So I hope that you all will stay tuned with me. And yes, there was a time when I thought that I am making these videos related to aviation and all of that, but I was just feeling that the airlines have started hiring, but I don't know, somehow the candidates were not getting selected. There were some false information also, like there was some false information regarding the interviews of airlines. So that was the time when I was feeling that, am I doing something wrong? Like, I was motivating people over here on this platform to get into this field, and then all these things were happening at that time. So I just thought that let's just give it a break. But now when aviation is again on a boom, although I knew that it is going to be there, because traveling cannot stop, and obviously aviation is a travel based industry, जहाँ पर आपको पता है कि अगर हमें कहीं ट्रैवल करना है फ्रॉम प्लेस A to B, तो हमारे पास में कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है. एंड लाइक वी हैव सेवरल ऑप्शंस, बट इफ़ यू हैव टू ट्रैवल इंटरनेशनल, देन ऑब्वियसली आपको, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा अगर आपको अपना टाइम सेव करना है तो, और कन्वीनियंस अगर आपको देखना है, तो डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ द ओनली ऑप्शन. सो आई गेस दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल कि इस फील्ड में कभी भी आपके लिए स्कोप कम होगा. एंड एज soon as the scope increases or the job opportunities increases, the competition also increase. So I guess I would like to tell you that from past 6-7 months I have been noticing that interviews are being conducted by the airlines, but the candidates have to struggle much more than the earlier times, like the time when I got selected. अगर मैं उस टाइम से अभी के टाइम में कंपेयर करूँ, तो आई बिलीव कंपटीशन हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड अ लॉट. रीज़न पहला क्योंकि 2 साल जो गैप हुआ ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन, और दूसरा लॉकडाउन की वजह से जो लॉसेस मतलब फेस करने पड़े एयरलाइंस को, जितने ले ऑफ हुए, जो भी चीज़ें हुई, वो सब के रीज़न की वजह से आई बिलीव कि कंपटीशन अब इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है कि कैंडिडेट्स को बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा एप्ट होना ज़रूरी है. दैट यू नीड टू नो दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द एयरलाइन पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर in their candidates. So I guess this is the right time to again start posting videos. I would like to share some information with all of you as I have started making my videos again. This is the main reason that I am back, because there are so many airports, so many domestic airports that only had domestic departures and arrivals, but now they are becoming international airports. For example, there's a headline, ये कल ही का है news, Pune International Airport 75% completed already, will start 4-month long trial run in July. So similarly ऐसे और भी airports हैं जिनमें काम चल रहा है, and it is going to be an international airport very soon. And the headline says mega hiring after the deal. तो ये news है Air India की, and that it says Air India on a hiring spree, 5,100. I would repeat, 5,100 crew members to be recruited. Apart from Air India, I would say Vistara, Akasa Airlines, Indigo Airlines, all of them are hiring cabin crew members, और बहुत अच्छी खासी requirement है crew members की, because I believe जितना भी पुराना staff था उन्होंने almost या तो during lockdown उनका lay off हो गया, या फिर अब they have switched to some other airline or they got promoted, so obviously they need the freshers coming in. तो न्यू एनर्जी के साथ में जो भी न्यू कैंडिडेट्स आएंगे, ऑब्वियसली उन्हें चाहिए कि अब न्यू फेसेस दिखें एयरलाइंस में. So basically I am here to provide you all the information regarding the interviews that are going to be conducted of different airlines, and whatever preparation you need to do regarding that, and something exclusive that you need to know will also be coming in. So please stay tuned, and also just follow my Instagram handle if you want to stay updated with all these information. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for all your support. Please keep watching my videos, please like and please subscribe if you haven't done yet, and please share with your friends and relatives or whosoever you feel this video might be useful. So thank you so much. Please stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye bye.